So hello guys, today we will be discussing a Codeforces problem named Shovel's Shop. It is a 2100 rated question on Codeforces, but this question is not that hard. This question can feel overwhelming if you read it only one time, but this question is pretty easy once you try to break it down into several different steps. Then you will notice that this is a pretty simple problem. So let me start by reading the question first. There are n shovels in the nearby shop. The ith shovel cost AI barrels. Misha had to buy exactly k shovels. Each shovel can be bought no more than once. Misha can buy shovels by several purchases. During one purchase, he can choose any subset of the remaining non-bought shovels and buy this subset. There are also M special offers in the shop. The jth of them is given as pair XJYJ, and it means that if Misha buys exactly KJ XJ shovels during one purchase, then YJ most cheapest of them are for free. That means he will not pay for the YJ most cheapest shovels during the current purchase. Misha can use any offer, any possibly zero number of times, but he cannot use more than one offer during one purchase. But he can buy shovels without any offers. Your task is to calculate minimum cost of buying K shovels if Misha buys them optimally. So the constraints are given, and then N, M, and K will be given. Ranges are given, and if you will notice, this is very important step because here it is written that the minimum value of k, or that the maximum value of k will be minimum of n comma 2000. So k cannot be more than 2000, and this is, I will say, this is the most important thing in this question, and rest things are given. And so this question is pretty simple. In You can understand it if you read it once. Now we will try to break it down into several steps. So I will try to make some of the observations as basically I will try to write some of the steps that you will do if you want to pick exactly K shovels optimally. So first thing is clear that if I want to buy K shovels only, so and I want the cost to be minimum, so I will try to pick the shovels which have the minimum cost. So this is observation one. So if I have to buy only exactly K shovels, then I will pick the cheapest of the K. Uh, Cheapest of the K shovels from N shovels. So this is the pretty simple thing, that if I have to buy K shovels and the cost should be minimum, then I will pick the K cheapest one. So first thing is clear, that I will take the K minimum shovels. Now the second thing comes that if which offer I will try to pick while purchasing this. So if you think there are two offers, and if one offer says that you have to buy exactly five shovels, then you can get the cheapest two of them for free. And one is saying that you can buy exactly five, but you can get four as free, four cheapest of them as free. So it is pretty simple that you want to take the offer which will give you the more cheapest shovel that you can buy, because it is useless to take it is unnecessary to increase our cost, right? So what we will do is we will select only those values which have the maximum y value for a particular x. So for a particular x, we will take that y value only. That is the maximum. So this is the second step. So take that y that have maximum value for a particular x. So this is also simple and intuitive, I will say. Then from hereafter, it can be observed if you dry run on this on several test cases. Then it is a simple idea that now the greedy strategy will no longer will work. You have to try all possible cases. But if you will try all possible cases, it will keep daily definitely. So what we will do is we will use dynamic programming for this. So now the rest I will try to explain you in the code, but I will give the basic idea. So first, what I will do is I will take the input and I will select the k smallest shovels that have the smallest cost from them. Then I will do the second step, that will I will choose those y only that are useful for me. That means they have the maximum value for their x, right? And after that I will try every possibility. Basically I will go to the array and I will try to apply all the offers, and one by one I will try to apply all the offers, and the rest I will tell my function to calculate, and this will be memoized by dp, so it will not give tle. So let's jump to the code. So first here I will take the input. After taking the input, you can see what I have done here is I have taken input of every n. Then for all the offers, what I have done, basically I only want to buy K shovels, right? So that offer is useless for me. That can buy more. That tells me to buy more than K shovels. Then only I will get a discount. So that is useless for me. So I ignored that offer. It is basically meaningless for us. So I made a vector and I took the input, and for a particular x, if it is less than equal to k, then only I am considering it. And if it is equal, then I have taken the maximum value among all the y values. So basically my bi will give me maximum shovels that I can take for free if I have to buy exactly I shovels. Huh. This is clear. Now what I have done, that I need to buy only K shovels. So what I have to do, that I have to pick the K shovels that have the minimum cost. So I have sorted this vector. Then I took out the minimum of them. I extracted in another vector. And what I have used, I have made a prefix sum for them. You will later get why I have made this prefix sum, and I have made a DP that will be used to memoization. So basically my function will take all the things, and basically this will return the minimum cost to buy K shovels, right? So for this case, I have made I have passed the vector A, the prefix vector B, P, and the offer vector B, and the DP is there and K value is there, and I have made it one based indexing. That's why I have passed one. So in the function, what I am doing is I have initially made the answer equal to long max, and I will take the minimum. So for every offer that I can use, basically if it means that I can use the value j, means I have to I am buying j shovels basically, so I can use the b of j offer. So what I have done is I have ran a loop. Basically, I have found out the cost by prefix vector, because f of I means that I have to buy the I have to tell the f of I function will return the minimum cost to buy. all the tuples from I to n, to the basically end of the array, to I to k. So I have made cost by taking by out the prefix factor, and the final cost will be temp. So cost of these tuples plus the rest that my function will calculate again, and I have initialized the minimum value, and after that I have given the DP value and I have returned it so that it can be memoized later. And the base case is pretty simple. If I is greater than k, basically it is out of the array, then only when the k plus 1 value I is equal to k plus 1, then I have returned 0. Otherwise, I have returned 1 is 16, because it is pretty simple that if this value I am getting, then only I will return 0. Otherwise, it will be a huge value so that it does not affect my answer. So this is the whole code, and you can see that this code is right. Uh, I hope that I was able to make you understand this solution completely and fine. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.